growth, profitability, sustainability, and employee satisfaction, or let's simply say organizational excellence. Leaders of organizations share this common goal to strike a perfect balance. How can a team member's happiness shape organizational excellence? How can a business have a symbiotic relationship with its stakeholders? How can leaders and organizations bring a positive social change? Uncover empowering spiritual answers to these questions at the Global Conference of Meditation Leaders on February 23rd, 24th, and 25th. Join change makers, corporate leaders, meditation and mindfulness experts for a transformative 2-day spiritual science symposium through talks, case studies, and panel discussions. Become a part of the change makers. Register now on the Buddha CEO website at gcml.buddhaceo.org for more information.